My name is Pim van de Vis and I'm a Customer Success Engineer at Omnissa. In this demo video, I'll go over the macOS onboarding process and end-user experience with Workspace ONE UEM. Workspace ONE can integrate with Apple Business Manager and Apple School Manager in order to support automated device enrollment, allowing macOS devices to be enrolled into management straight out of the box. Workspace ONE UEM can enforce a minimum OS version to be installed before enrollment is allowed. This way, making sure devices are secure before they access corporate resources and data. With custom enrollment, administrators can configure more advanced authentication flows, including those leveraging Workspace ONE Access, other third-party IDPs, or even multi-factor authentication. After authentication, MDM profiles, the Intelligent Hub, Bootstrap packages, and even managed local administrator accounts will begin deploying to the device, while the organization can choose whether to show or hide default setup assistant configuration pages. The local username and display name can be pulled down to the device as well, simply requiring the end user to specify a local password for their account before logging into the desktop for the first time. Once the user lands on the desktop, the Intelligent Hub will automatically launch and display a customizable post-enrollment onboarding interface to the user. The user will be able to see an accurate status of all applications set to be automatically installed on the device, which ensures that the user is fully aware of what's going on behind the scenes, without needing to phone the help desk wondering what the next steps of the device setup. The user can proceed straight into the Intelligent Hub, or if they don't want to wait for native applications to complete installation, they can immediately get to work. All applications available through Workspace ONE, including native SaaS and virtual applications, can be accessed through Spotlight Search, the natural launchpad for macOS users. In this case, the user can already access webmail to start working. Leveraging single sign-on and conditional access, the end user can be taken straight to the inbox even before the native version of Outlook has managed deploying to the device. For any apps that are not native to macOS, such as Microsoft Visio, we can simply close that app gap by launching a virtual instance with Horizon. With Omnissa Horizon, users are able to use applications that are not available on macOS while still maintaining the native app experience that they're used to, all without actually installing the individual applications on the machine. The Intelligent Hub itself provides functionality important to the user's day-to-day activities. It acts as a unified app catalog for all apps that have been assigned to the user, including web-based, native macOS, or even virtual apps. With the People tab, users are able to search and find information about their immediate team or even the broader organization. They can ensure they're reaching out to the appropriate person whenever they have an inquiry and that they have the correct contact information. Users can also leverage the hub as a way to send messages and notifications to users. High priority notifications can be used to ensure that a user acknowledges or responds to a message before they're able to continue using their apps. Additionally, Workspace ONE Intelligence can be used to integrate the Intelligent Hub directly into third-party application workflows, allowing users the ability to quickly achieve common tasks such as approving requests in ServiceNow, updating tickets in Jira, or managing opportunities in Salesforce, all within the Intelligent Hub. The hub also provides information into a user's other managed devices, whether they're mobile, tablets, or other desktop machines. Users can validate the device information or potentially issue commands to those devices, such as a remote wipe if a device was lost or stolen. At the end of the day, while the Intelligent Hub does provide the organization the means to manage a device, it also enables users to have easier access to the resources and information they need to easily complete their day-to-day work. Now, while the Workspace ONE Unified App Catalog ensures that companies are able to deploy the appropriate applications to their end users, organizations also need to be able to do the opposite, block the use of applications that are not approved. For example, this user is used to using Google Drive for storing some of his documents outside of work on his personal enabled corporate machine. He downloads and installs Google Drive Sync, intending to use it on the new device. However, On launching the app, he receives a message indicating that the team has blocked the use of data sync tools such as Google Drive outside of those made available in their corporate unified catalog. To find out more, you can visit techzone.omnissa.com, test out Workspace ONE UEM on your devices at Omnissa Test Drive, reach out to the Omnissa community on community.omnissa.com, or take an in-depth macOS skills training for Workspace ONE admins, and even get certified in macOS management with Workspace ONE.